she wanted to get married here essentially. And I was like, yeah, I'm all for that. Let's do it.
We figured Iceland, was a perfect place to do it because it's beautiful scenery. We love hiking, we love waterfalls, and just, we love the extravagance of it.
There's also a lot of joy here too. We met in college. It was near the end of the year. I did a thing called Mr. Taylor Place.
Well, I actually saw him for the first time. He was in a bodybuilding competition. It was about 9 years ago. And so he was performing at our dorm, and I was just there in the audience watching, and I turned to my friend Chris and I was like, I want to get to know this guy.
And she saw me there. I didn't see her, but she was in the crowd somewhere. But ever since then, she said that she was trying to basically find me. But I was working out at the gym, maybe a month or so after that, and she happened to be there as well, and she left her phone number.
And David texted me the next day. I love that he is easy to communicate with. He's always there to listen or to offer advice. He's very wise. I really enjoy when we travel together. See the world, make new memories, just experience life. He's just everything I was always looking for. I guess every new chapter that we take on together is just something to look forward to each time.
The number one thing I love about Vanessa is that she can get me to do things that no one can. Like she can push me to go further than I think I could go at times. That she's always really persistent. If she wants something done, she'll get it done. She is sometimes quiet at first, but she's really smart. She's also very outgoing. She surprises me more times than I can imagine, and that's another thing what I love about her. Definitely someone you shouldn't underestimate, because she can be very persistent, and that's what I love about her. She knew it was coming. So, by the time I proposed, it almost felt like we were already married. We've already kind of shared bank accounts, and we've had dogs together, have property together. She basically picked out her ring, her style of ring.
It was planned, I knew it was coming.
I was looking for a time to give it to her, and we had this trip to Bulgaria. First we went to Greece, and we stayed at Santorini, and I just figured I'll know when the time is right, and when we stayed in Santorini, it was so breathtaking. I was like, there's no way that anything in Bulgaria is gonna look better than this, so.
We just went on a little hike, that was overlooking the water in the Santorini island. And
we found this rock. It's like a pretty, I don't know, it's a really big rock that you can travel down and climb up. So it's a bit adventurous, and there's no one there, and I just proposed there, and that's cool.
thanks.